Hi friends, welcome to Vishwa's Voice. In Terrace Gardening Part 1, we explored the basics including what is terrace gardening, requirements of terrace gardening and overview of each requirement. In Terrace Gardening Part 2, we will focus on planting a new sapling. In this session, we will look at beautiful flowers including the beloved rose. Come, we will explore the next part. Before entering into the rose plantation, this complete video is sponsored by Genreviews.online. Genreviews.online is one of the review portal site. This website link I will mention in the description is worth to look. Enjoy the review content. Before exploring the rose plantation, we will see the importance of planting roses. Rose can withstand long period of drought. Many roses have a lovely scent, making them even more attractive to passers-by. What's more, rose flowers with open and semi-filled hearts act as an insect magnets. The flowering period is often followed by rose hips, a food source for birds. And one more important fact is that rose holds significant importance across various aspects of life, culture and nature. Here are some key points highlighting the value, symbolism and meaning. What is that? Love and romance. Roses are universally recognized as a symbol of love, making them popular gift for romantic occasion. Expressions of emotion, different colors convey various meanings. Red for love, white for purity, yellow for friendship and pink for admiration. Apart from that, we are using the rose for cultural significance, medicinal use, ecological role, aesthetic appeal, economic importance, personal connection. Finally, roses are not only beautiful and fragrant, but also rich in symbolism and significant across culture, making them an enduring favorite in many aspects of life. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, I just want to take a moment to say a huge thank to you all for turning it to my video. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoy the content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment below. What did you like? What would you like to see next? Your feedback helps me create even better content for you. Thanks again for being a part of this journey. Until next time, take care and keep shining. Bye bye.